The first ring we're going to discuss is the outermost ring, the one that comes just inside the degrees. And that's a ring that you see October 8th to October 23rd, cold dew. So October 8th to October 23rd is the 2-week season called cold dew. Now it's adjacent to certain hexagrams, certain 8-mansion, certain 24 mountains. And if you know how to read the Great Sun formula, fine. If you don't know, it's all in the book. Now, how does one use the Great Sun formula? There are many ways of using, but one of the important ways is to use them to renovate a house that is inflicted by certain showers. So, you know, if the house has, say, a 5 yellow in the northwest in 2023, and you need to carry out a renovation, your house faces north. So you turn your compass to face north. Okay, so now you are going to be standing in front of the house, outside the house, using your compass, and you see the date right in front of you, Jan 21st to February 3rd. It says greater cold. So it also means that in Jan 21st to Feb 3, you have a window in which you can renovate this house. The second option is July 23rd to August 2nd. And there are also more options which you'll see in the book. We have diagrams for each one of the possible 24 facings of the house using the Great Sun formula. So if you can't find it here, you can find it in the book.